What I've told you, there's a single code you can use on your Fire Stick to get all the best movies and TV shows on your device, free of charge, and even the new ones, which are only available in movie theaters. And the whole setup of this app is actually really easy too. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing movie app to your Fire Stick device. And the very first step is, of course, getting the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you can actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. So we go to the home screen on your Fire Stick, select that little button with a magnifying glass icon and open the search bar. And there in the search, we'll need to start typing Downloader to download the Downloader app to your device. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You'll click on it, and now here is the orange app which you need to get to your device. But now, after you got Downloader, it's not ready to use yet because we still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we go to Settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. You open it, and in here you need to turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open it, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and in here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. Let's open it up. And there is the Downloader app, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is, of course, connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to the Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just have to go back to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and open it up. Now you just open the search bar, which you can see on my screen and on your screen as well, of course. And we'll be using this keyboard, virtual keyboard, which you can see on the screen, to enter a code. So the code will get you the app. The code is going to be 59601. So once again, 59601. That's the whole code you have to enter. Click on go. And now, while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And if you get such a message here, you just need to click on accept to continue. And now a website will open. You also might have to click that blue button, which is not fully visible, but just click on the side of it. And then this website should pop out for us. And basically on the website, there is this file which says CF360, at least what it says for me now. So you just have to click on that blue button, and now finally the download of the app has started. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all connects, not connects, but depends on your internet connection speed. And then after the app got downloaded, you of course also have to install it to your device. So click install and just wait for a couple of seconds until the installation is totally finished. And then do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on a Fire Stick. So click delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And then, if you go and take a look at the list of apps in your Fire Stick, here at the bottom you will find this new app, which we got for you. So now first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. So you click on it, and on the right side of the screen, a menu will appear. Select the move to front option and click on it. And this way the app will be always at the very top of your application list. This way it will be easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN for free if you use the link below the video or in the pinned comment of this video. Then, finally, feel free to open this app. And finally, you get access to this amazing app with all its movies, TV shows, the new content, the old content, vintage content, all kinds of movies and TV shows. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.